Hello, my dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Amba Beauty Fashion. So, dear friends, today video is very great signing ideas, and today I am showing our all-hit trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish A-line bob haircut, short pixie hairstyles. So, dear friends, today video is very great signing ideas. So this video will be very helpful for you, and today I'm showing a beautiful collection. So friends, watch this video till the end. If you are new in my channel, so you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. So dear friends, I will try my best to show all new ideas. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel so you can get ideas. Friends, take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous ideas. Friends, we will be right back. Bye-bye.